Hi, everyone, and welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we're taking a really complex, emerging trend and breaking it down into fast, actionable insights. We are looking at a massive shift happening right now in the digital landscape, the rise of AI search optimization. If you've been wondering how these giant AI models are fundamentally changing how businesses get found online, you are in exactly the right place. And we're going to explore all of this through the lens of a brand new tool called SERPsling AI. I want you to consider this really provocative question right out of the gate. What actually happens to your web traffic when people just ask ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini instead of Google? For years, traditional SEO was the undisputed king, right? But there is a growing, honestly, kind of existential pain point for marketers right now, which is the potential death of that traditional search model as users completely bypass search engines to get direct AI answers. Okay, let's dive right into this. Here is our six-part roadmap for today. The shift to AI search, introducing SERPsling AI, the three-step AO process, who can benefit, the agency opportunity, and finally, packages and upgrades. All right, section 1, the shift to AI search. We're seeing a really stark divide right now. On one side, you have your old school SEO. You're building backlinks, stuffing keywords, and waiting months and months just to slowly climb up Google's ranks. But on the other side, you've got the new AI search, platforms like ChatGPT and Google's new AI overviews. And here's the thing, these large language models, they don't care about your traditional backlinks. They care about context, structure, and delivering immediate answers to the user. So, this brings us to a super important new term, Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO. If SEO is optimizing for search engines, AEO is optimizing for answer engines. Simply put, it's about structuring your website's data so an AI bot can easily read it, comprehend it, and then confidently use it to answer a user's prompt. It does this by looking for technical trust signals like schema markup, rather than just links. There is a huge fear of missing out happening in the industry right now. As the creators of this tool point out, if you're only optimizing for Google, you're missing the fastest growing traffic online. While so many businesses are still laser-focused on traditional rankings, a massive wave of high-intent buyers is quietly shifting right over to AI assistance. Moving on to Section 2, Introducing SERPsling AI. So, enter SERPsling AI. The creators claim this is the very first app designed specifically to automate your visibility inside these AI search engines. They emphasize that this isn't just another keyword research tool. It's built as a comprehensive optimization engine to actually do the heavy lifting for you, automating all those highly technical AIO strategies that, frankly, most people just don't understand yet. Which leads us perfectly into Section 3, the three-step AEO process. Now, what's really interesting here is how simple the workflow is. It's essentially a three-step process. Step 1 is the audit, where the software scans a site to find exactly why it isn't being recommended by tools like ChatGPT. Step 2 is optimize, where it automatically generates the necessary LLM-ready content and technical schema to fix those gaps. And Step 3 is deploy. Using a WordPress plugin, you can literally push these fixes live to the website with a single click, completely behind the scenes so it doesn't mess with the site's design. Let's zoom in on that first step for a second, the audit. What is it actually looking for? Well, it translates technical jargon into clear, actionable trust signals. It analyzes schema markup, which is the code that helps search engines understand your content. It scans for EAT signals, that's expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. It checks content structure to ensure you're answering questions clearly. It also verifies your entity consistency, or NAP, your name, address, and phone number, making sure they match everywhere online. And finally, it analyzes your reviews and citations. And this is a really smart feature. After running that complex audit, the tool automatically generates professional white-labeled PDF reports, so you can slap your own logo on there and you instantly have tangible proof to show a client exactly what's broken on their site and later, undeniable proof of what you successfully fixed for them. All right, Section 4, who can benefit? According to the source material, this touches a highly diverse list of users. E-commerce stores can capture AI product recommendations. Local businesses, like plumbers or dentists, can become the top answer for localized AI searches. Affiliate marketers, digital product sellers, authors, and coaches, they can all optimize their profiles to be the recommended expert in their specific niche. Basically, if you sell anything online, showing up first in AI recommendations is a huge advantage.
Next up, Section 5, the agency opportunity. And this brilliantly illustrates the financial potential here.
$500 to $1,500. Let that sink in. That is the specific monthly retainer fee the creators claim agencies can charge for these AEO services. Because the reality is, most business owners have absolutely no idea how to rank in ChatGPT or Claude right now, so they are highly willing to pay a premium to someone who can solve that problem for them. The core pitch here is being able to offer AI search optimization as a hands-free, done-for-them service to local clients. Because the software handles all the really technical stuff, like generating the schema and the localized content, you can essentially run a turnkey agency. You run the audit, you hand the branded report to a local business, charge them a fee to fix all those red flags, and then just let the software deploy the changes.
Finally, let's wrap up with Section 6, packages and upgrades.
Let's neutrally guide through the pricing funnel they've set up. The initial front-end offer sits at an accessible $34.95, giving you 10 domains, 25 audits per month, and the WordPress plugin. Alternatively, they offer a bundle deal for a one-time price of $247, which packs in the front end plus all the standard upgrades. If someone just goes through the standard funnel, the first upgrade, or OTO1, is Agency Plus at $47 a month, which unlocks unlimited audits, content generation, and deployments. Building on that, there are a few more specific upgrades available. OT2 is the AO Super Booster, which is a lead finder to help locate businesses with poor AI visibility. OT3 is AO Sniper, focused on finding expired domains, playing on the idea that older, trusted domains give an immediate AI ranking boost. And OTO4 is DFY Authority 50, which is all about auto-syndicating your content to build digital authority. And on top of all the software, the promotional materials promise this absolutely massive list of bonus extras to add value. We're talking cloud storage tools, video creation apps, social media automation, AI chatbots, and a library of over 20 million stock media assets. Seriously, 20 million! It's a huge suite designed to supplement your broader marketing business. So we've seen this massive shift in search behavior and explored the automated solutions that tools like SERPsling AI bring to the table. I want to leave you with this final provocative thought. As search fundamentally evolves from just a list of blue links into direct conversational AI answers, is your website ready to be recommended? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.